I don't understand.
You don't want to get mixed up with a guy like me. I'm a loner, Daddy. A rebel.
Only tools I use, this little plastic protector, two of these bad boys. Put you right around like so. Let's go right about there. Excuse me. One on one side. Just gonna rest in there, keeping everything in place. I use my chin, so I don't have three hands. Just around on that side. As far apart from each other. Like that. Slid a little. And then use your thumb to kind of push inwards. Boom. These are now gone. Get your little, get our thing off, whatever that is called. And now, this is the easiest part. Let's see here. I'm trying to remember which way I go. This way. So I set it down. That's what I do. And then just give it a firm push. Boom. And that's up. And then, let's see, I want my cord being protected. I know I'm being careful. I was trying to make sure my tire is aiming the right way. Yeah, right? Motor goes in that way. My aft should be facing the front. Okay. Yeah, that's my small side. So, this side's going on first. Spray some of that good stuff. Go at the angle like so. Boom. Still double checking my tire, and then everyone gets hung up on this part. All I do is I get over the lip a little, a knee, boom. Now she's ready to be inflated. Way easier than taking all those screws off, dude. Way easier. Do it this way. Or do it your way, whatever's good. Bye.